Introducing my newest model, check it out. It's a really clean origami table with 4 legs. And what's really cool about it is that if you look at it from the top and then shine a light from behind, a square appears in the middle. And if you put the light really close to it, if you look closely at it, it has like a blintz to it. How cool is that? So it's a square inside of a square. And yeah, and I'm going to teach you all how to make it right now. Alright, let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this really clean origami square table. And it's got 4 legs. And it's got a magic square right here. And if you turn it over, the square disappears. But then, when you turn the lights out, and then shine the light from behind, it reappears like that. Isn't that cool? Alright, want to learn how to make it? Ready, set, here goes. So, for this model, I'm going to use a square sheet of kami. This is a 6-inch square. So, we're going to begin with the white side up, and we're going to fold in half. Unfold, rotate, and fold in half the other way. Unfold, and we're going to blintz. So fold the 4 corners to the center. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take this corner and we're going to fold it up how much? Well, you want to fold it up so that we're estimating thirds. So to check that, this crease right here, you want to make sure that the distance from this corner to here is the same as the distance from here to there. So this is equal to that. It doesn't need to be perfect, just estimate it. And go ahead and crease sharply. Oh god, I smeared the ink from the pen. Okay, and let's do that 3 more times. And on here, you actually have a guide mark. Oh, and yeah, you do want to make sure that this corner aligns with the crease under it. And the guide mark is you want to fold this up so that the fold we're making hits that point right there. Alright, and again. And one more time. Okay, unfold all those flaps. And we're gonna fold them inside, like this, on the existing crease. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take this corner and we're going to fold it to here. And keep that one folded, keep this folded, and do that 3 more times. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge, and by holding these layers down so they don't slide, we're going to take this edge and we're going to fold it to this edge. And hold the layers down so they don't slide. And give it a good crease. Alright, and you can unfold and do that 3 more times. So hold the layers down and fold the edge to here. And again. I was thinking about fast forwarding, but I'm not going to do that though. I'll just go at regular speed, just so that you guys can follow it easy enough. Okay, there we go. Alright, now we're going to do is we're going to start collapsing. Well, it's not really collapsing, but we're going to form the table by making the legs and stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to unfold these 4 flaps here, and we're going to start forming the legs. So, see that little crease right there? Make that one a mountain fold. Alright, and might as well do this one too. And now what we're going to do is we're going to just orient the model like this, and we're going to bring that crease onto this diagonal crease. So we make a new fold right in between there. Like this. That's called a pleat fold. Like that. And same here too. Yeah, this is a pretty simple model, so if you guys are new to folding, this is a pretty good model for you to try out. It's not that hard at all. There we go, like that. And you want to repeat that 3 more times. So I'll show you again on this one, and then I'm going to fast forward the other 2. So here we go. So I'm going to go a little bit faster. So that crease and that crease, mountain fold. Here, I'll zoom out. And then now bring the crease onto this crease. Okay. And here too. And that's how you do it. Alright, now repeat that 2 more times. Alright, and this is what you should get right here. Okay, now we're going to do is we're going to hold this together, and we're going to fold this edge. Ooh, sorry about that. I burped. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge, and we're going to fold it inside on that corner right here, and that corner, so it locks it. So I'm going to just make the fold and show you, because it's kind of hard to do it in the air. So just give me a second here, let me just make the fold, and then I'll undo the fold and show you. Okay, so we're just locking these down. So what we're doing is, adjust the light a little bit too, so you can see it. We're folding this edge in on that corner and that corner. And then when you do that, see, it makes a nice lock right there. Okay? And then do that 3 more times. So I'm gonna go here now, hold these together, and kind of place the model on the table, and then fold the edge inside on the corner, on both sides. This is probably my favorite step of the whole model, because I like how it makes a nice lock. Makes a really clean lock too. Yeah, that's how it is right there. Alright. And here too. I'm just going to go ahead and do this at normal speed. I'm not going to fast forward this time. And make sure you make it nice and sharp too. And last one. Oh, by the way, I want to mention that this model is actually based on a model that I taught way back in 2018. I remember in 2018, I designed and taught an origami magic square, but that model looked kind of funky. So I'm going to take that video down, and this is the improvement for that video. So this is a much cooler model. and much more clean too. So yeah, remember that's what I'm doing. I'm taking down my old trashy videos with trashy quality and that don't have a lot of views, and I'm gonna remake them using much better quality, so they'll be much more easier to follow, and they'll look way better. So yeah. Oh, and this is what you should get right here. And then now at this point, let's pinch the legs of the table so they're like that. Just makes it look nicer. And once you did that, your origami table with the magic square is all done. I'm going to change my background real quick. So I'm going to go from orange to dark blue. Okay, so this is what the model looks like. So there's the magic square, and you turn it over, it disappears, but then when you shine the phone light from behind, it reappears like that. It's best if you turn the lights off. See, there we go, you can see it a lot better. See, and then when you have the light just right, it has like a little blintz to it. So you can see this diamond looking shape. Well, it's actually a square. And it's got a square inside too. Yeah. Oh, and it's a square with a square inside with another square inside. That's a really cool effect actually. But yeah, there it is. Alright. Hope you guys like this model and find it interesting and were able to make it. And make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye bye.